Hi, let me show you how to set alarm to only vibrate on iPhone. And for that, go ahead and open Clock app on your phone. And on the bottom of the display, make sure to select Alarm. Now you can tap on either existing alarm or on this plus to add new one. And important moment, if you wanna disable sound and make it vibrate only, then go in this section, Sound, scroll all the way down and choose None. After that, scroll all the way up, go in Haptics, and set any vibration you like. Also, there is an option to create your own vibration, just like that. I'm gonna cancel it and set, for example, this one. Now let's set heartbeat. And now all is left is to save changes by clicking this back arrow, then again, and click Save on top. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.